the 16 things we all need to know.
In the days before open house.
331 students.
On a 12-acre campus.
A pond and a stream.
2 unstructured outdoor recesses every day for every age.
44% students of color.
26% faculty of color.
Last year's graduates went to 16 different high schools.
Our math team has won the states 2 out of the last 3 years.
And every year our team has amazing gender balance.
La instrucción de español comienza a los 5 años.
We have 24,000 intentionally curated volumes in our library for a 3-year-old through an adult.
Open house is Saturday, November 3rd.
10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Visitors are welcome to bring their children, but we do not provide childcare.
Faculty and staff can leave their children at Gators if you let me know by Monday the 29th.
Said I just ruined it, sorry.